Alright, so we got the Mustang up on the lift, putting the new lower control arms on it, and outer tie rods while it's up there, so this will be how you do it. Hopefully it's not too bad, but we'll see.
What's wrong? I need a 15 mil.
Alright, so first you're going to want to take out these bolts here, this bolt and the nut on the other side. And got these here, a couple on here. We're going to put some PB blaster on them, let them sit for a second. We're also going to do these outer tie rod ends, and we'll throw some PB blaster on those, make sure they're good.
Iron rack's in the way, it's kind of awkward.
So when you take this bolt out, you're gonna have to turn the steering rack because it's in there. We drop down the tie rod here. You probably can do it with leaving that in there, but we're replacing these anyway, and they're all sorts of worn out. These don't come out as easy as all the other videos make it seem.
I don't think that's supposed to be there. Just kidding.
Man, I'm shaking on the camera from pulling these bolts out.
You ready?
Alright, now we got all the bolts out. Should just be able to tap it out of there. Nice.
Should be able to.
Give it a little tappy. Tap, tap, taparoo.
Tap it in, that's a zinger.
Well. Hit it with your purse.
There we go.
Well, if you can't tell, we're not reusing those A-arms.
Sweet.
Sweet. That should just pull right out of there. Just like it should just tap right out.
That's right.
Okay, we got smart and grabbed a pry bar. Four.
She's out.
Alright, so here's the old ones. Right next to the new ones. These are the GT500 lower control arms, so they're supposed to make it handle better. Yeah, those old ones, they're in spec. Ow!
Well, it helps when we got 2 people, 3 people, and a crushed finger.
Nice. That's how you know you've been working on a car. Now it is. Alright, slide it over it. Oh,
Right time. Very nice.
And that's all she wrote.
Alright, here's the finished product. Brand new tie rod ends. They're greasable. And got the new lower control arms on. It's already looking a lot better. But yeah, we'll get you next video here on how it handles and if it actually does what they say it does. So